Hello friends, welcome to Nabula Mami Online Maths. Today, we are going to learn another interesting method of multiplication. This method is called Japanese method of multiplication. And it is very good for kids at the lower grade. And I have 4 examples on the board to illustrate this method. Example 1. I have 3 times 4. To use the Japanese method to solve 3 times 4, we use lines to represent each number or each digit. So if I have 3, I'm going to use line to represent 3. So I will use 3 vertical lines here. First, you draw vertical lines. So I have 1, 2, 3. These 3 lines represent the number 3 there. Then the next number is 4. It means that I'm going to draw 4 lines and they are going to be horizontal, crossing these 3 lines. These 3 vertical lines. So what I'll do is that I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, where these lines passes each other or cross each other, I'll put dots there. Then after this, I will now count the number of dots in this particular diagram. And the total number of dots in this diagram is the final answer. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means that 3 times 4 is 12. Let's move to example 2. Example 2, I have 42 times 3. So what I'll do is that I'll take the first digit of 42, which is 4. Then I'll draw 4 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll leave space and draw 2 lines to represent this digit. So that is 1, 2. You have seen the space here. These 4 lines and these 2 lines represent my 42. Then I'll now draw lines to represent these 3. So meaning I'll draw 3 lines to cross these lines. Then after this, I'll put dots where these lines cross each other. So dot, 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 dot. So let's now start to count the number of dots in this particular diagram, and that will represent our answer for 42 times 3. So what I'll do, I'll start from the right hand side. So right hand side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll write the number 6. Then come to the left. Count the number of dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I'll write 12. And this means that 42 times 3 is 126. Let's move to example 3. Example 3. I have 23 times 21. So what I'll do is that I will first draw my 2 vertical lines. 1, 2. This line represents the first digit 2. Then leave a space and draw 3 vertical lines. So these 3 vertical lines to represent this 3. That is 2, 3 means 23. I will now take 21 and work it out. The 21, I will draw 2 lines horizontal for the top. Then come down and draw 1 line this way. So where these lines cross each other, I will now put those there. But this particular corners, I have to group them. Meaning I'm going to add them together. So let's see how you get your answer. I'll start counting here. Here, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3. Then I'll write 3. Then you come here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count here to 1, 2. So 6 dots plus 2 dots is 8 dots. Then I'll write 8. Then here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 dots. Meaning 23 times 21 is 483. Let's move to the last example. Last example is 34 times 12. So what I'll do is that I will first draw my 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, which represent the digit 3. Leave a space and draw 4 vertical lines like this. So this means 34. Then after that, I'll use the 12. The 12 first digit is 1, then I'll draw one line on top. Then come down and draw 2 lines like this. So where these lines meet each other, I will now put those. Like this. And group this. So now, let's see how we get our answer by starting from this side. Count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll write my 8. Then this side, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. But I can't write all the 10. What I'll do is that I'll write 0. That is the unit digit. And carry the 10th digit to the left-hand side. So I'll come here. 1, 2, 3. Plus the one that I'm carrying is what? 4. So I'll write 4 here. Meaning 34 times 12 is 408. So this is how we use the Japanese method of multiplication, which is very, very good for kids at the lower grade, because they will see it and do it practically and get their answers down. And it's not difficult to deal with this particular method. So if you're a parent and you want your kid to be faster in mathematics or do mathematics without any stress, just subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more methods or tricks to guide your child at home. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said, if this is your first time of watching, or you have been watching but you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is being uploaded. Also share my Facebook page for other people to watch. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Bye bye.